Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al-Munir High School e-learning system. This is your maths lecture. Today we are going to do unit number 4, fractions of your maths book, Maths Wise. Exercise number 1, 2 and 3. Fraction are equal parts of the following: 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal whole. Exercise 1, divide the following into half. The whole value, the half is the 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. The whole triangle and the half triangle is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Next, full bottle and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. The circle of the 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, half of the circle, half shape 1 by 2. Akbar has a watermelon. He shared it among 3 of his friends. This is what he does. Therefore, each friend gets 1 by 3 of each watermelon. The whole watermelon 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Third 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 3 equal to 1 whole. Equal to 1 whole. Exercise number 2. Divide the following shapes into 1/3. 1/3 this value of 1/3. 1/3 1 2 3 whole circle. 1 by 3 1/3. 1 shape 1 circle. One side is shaded part, so 1 by 3rd is here. The box is one part is shaded, 1 2 and 3 part. One part is shaded, so 1 by 3rd is your box. Your box is called the square. Next, 1 by 3rd, the part of 1 2 and 3, one part shaded, so 1 by 3rd is here. 1 2 3 triangle and the one part is shaded, 1 by 3rd is your answer. Raza shares a pizza with 2 of his cousins as noun below. What fraction of the pizza does each child get? 2 over 6 plus 2 over 6 plus 2 over 6 equal 1 whole. 1 by 3 plus 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, or 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 equal 1 whole. As total piece is 6, each child get pieces 2. In fraction, each child get 2 over 6. 2 over 6. Color the fraction given for each figure. 1 by 3rd, one part is color, shaded part, and the second 2 by 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 part is shaded, the value of 2 by 5. 7 by 10, the part box 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 7 by 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 8 9. By mistakenly total part of 10, 1 2 3 and 7 part is shaded, so answer is 7 by 10 is your answer. 4 over 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. The shaded part 1 2 3 4. 4 over 9 is your answer. Next question, 1 by 2. 1 by 2, one part is shaded, 1 by 2 is your answer. The next 1 by 5, 1 2 3 4 5. One leaf is shaded, so 1 over 5 is your answer. Exercise 4. Count the number in the groups below, calculate and color 1 by 2 of them. Write the answer in the space given below. 1 2 3 4, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 4, 1 by 2 2 part shaded, 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 of 8 equal 4. 1 by 2 is of 8 equal 4. 4 plus 4 8. 1 by 2 of 8 equal 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4. 4 is your answer. 1 2 3 4 5 6. The part 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Answer 1 by 2 of the 12, 2 6 are 12, 6 is your answer. Next 1 by 2 of power 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 1 over 2 multiplied by 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 is your answer. Next question, exercise number 4, question number 4. The value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 by 2 of 14. 1 by 2, half of 14. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. Count the number in the groups, calculate and color 1 by 4 of them. Write the answer of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The value of 1 by 4. 1 by 4 multiplied by 8. Multiplied by 20. 4 5 the 20. 5 1 by mistakenly 8. 20. The value 1 by 4 of 20. 4 5 the 20. 5 1 the 5 is your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The value of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 by 4 over 8. 4 2 the 8. 2 1 the 2. 2 is your answer. The answer is 2. 1 by 4 of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 by 4 of 8. 4 2 the 8. 2 1 the 2 is your answer. Next, the box 1, 2, 3. 3 part of shaded. The part of 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4. 12. 1 by 4 multiply by 12. 4 3 the 12. 3 1 the 3. 3 is your answer. Next, count the number in the groups, calculate and color 2 of them. Write the answer for each. Write the answer for each. The value of 2 over 5 of multiply by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. The line of 2 lines. One line 5 digit and second line 5 shapes. 2 over 5 multiplied by 10. 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4 is your answer. The value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and the second line is 10 shapes. 2 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 over 5 multiplied by 20. 5 4 the 20. 4 to the 8 is your answer. Next question, question number 11. 2 over 5 of 15. 2 divided by 5 multiply 15. 5 3s are 15. 3 to the 6 is your answer. Next, 2 over 5 multiply by 30. 5 6 are 30. 6 to the 12 is your answer. Next exercise, exercise 5. What fraction is shaded in the following figure? 2 over 4 or 1 by 2. 4 over 8 or 1 by 2. And 3 over 6. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. Question number 4. The value of 1 by 2, 2 over 5, 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 2 over 5, 2 over 5, the shaded part of 2, 2 over 5 and 5 by 10, 5 1 the 5 or 1 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 by 10. Total part of 10, shaded part of 5, 5 over 10, 5 1 the 5, 5 to the 10 or 5 over 10 or called 1 by 2 is your answer. Next exercise, exercise 6. What fraction of each set is colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. Third part, 1 by third is colored. 1 by third is 10 by 15. 10 by 15. 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15. 10 by 15 or called 2 over 3 is colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by 6 is colored. 1 by 6 is colored. Next, 1 by 4 is the value of 1 by 4 is colored. Okay. Next exercise, exercise 7. Work out how much each fraction is worth. Cross the objects according to the answer. 1 by third of 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 is your answer. 1 over 4 of 24, 4 6 are 24, 6 1 are 6 is your answer. The 2 by 5 of 10, 2 over 5 multiplied by 10, 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4 is your answer. And the next value, 1 by 6 of 36, 1 by 6 multiplied by 36, 6 are 36, 6 1 or 6 is your answer. And the next step, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 the value of 36, 1 by 6 of 36 equals 6 are 36, 6 1 or 6 is your answer. Exercise 8, tick the odd 1 over 3, 1/3 2 by 3. The value of 1/2 4 over 8, 4 over 8, 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8. 3 quarters 3 over 4, 3 quarters 2 by 3. 1 whole 1 6 by 6, the value of 2 by 3. The value of 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the 4/5. Equivalent fraction, compare the colored area in the two figures shown. 1 by 3 and 3 by 9 are equivalent fractions. They represent the same parts of a whole. Exercise 9. Color these pairs of fractions and tick the ones that are equivalent. 2 over 3 plus 6 over 9 is equivalent. 1 over 4 and 5 over 10 is equivalent. 5, 1 over 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. The value of 3 over 5 and 6 by 10 is equivalent. 3 2 the 6 है. The value of 2 3 the 6, 2 5 the 10. 3 over 5 is your answer. 3 over 6 equal to 1 by 2. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. 5 over 7 and 5 over 6 is not equivalent. 2 over 10 and 1 by 5. 2 1 the 2, 2 5 the 10. This value of the equivalent number. Next exercise, exercise 10, match the equivalent fraction. 7 over 10 is equal to 7 over 10, 7 over 8 is equal to 14 over 16. 2 over 3 is equal to 10 over 15. 5 over 10 is equal to 1 by 2 and 1 over 5 is equal to 3 by 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 7 over 8, 14. 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. 1 by 2, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 1 by 5, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 1 by 5 and the value of 10 by 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 1 whole equal 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, 1 whole 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, 1 whole 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 and plus 1 over 4. 1 whole equal 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 and plus 1 over 5 and plus 1 over 5 etc. Equivalent fraction 3 over 4 equal 3 multiplied by 2 over 4 multiplied by 2. 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8. 3 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 3. 3 3 the 9, 4 3 the 12. Exercise 11. Exercise 11. Write the fraction equivalent to the following. 1 over 2, 1 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. 1 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. Therefore 1 over 2 equal 2 over 4 equal 3 over 6 is our equivalent fraction. Question number 2, 2 over 3, 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6. 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 3, 3 to the 6, 3 3 the 9. Therefore 2 over 3 equal 4 over 6 equal 6 over 9 etc. are equivalent fractions. 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2, 2 1 the 2, 3 to the 6. 1 multiplied by 3, 3 1 the 3, 3 multiplied by 3, 3 is the 9. 1 over 3 equal 2 over 6 equal 3 over 9 are equivalent fractions. Question number 4, 5 over 6, 5 multiplied by 2, 6 multiplied by 2, 5 to the 10, 6 to the 12. 10 over 12, 5 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 3, 5 3 the 15, 6 3 the 18. 5 over 6 equal 10 over 12 equal 15 over 18 etc. are equivalent fractions. Equal to 1, 1 equal 1 over 1, 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2, 2 over 2, 1 multiplied by 3, 1 multiplied by 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. 1 equal 1 over 1 equal 2 over 2 and equal 3 over 3 are equivalent fractions. Proper and improper fraction, the fraction in which numerator is smaller than the denominator are called proper fraction. The fraction in which numerator is smaller than the denominator are called proper fractions. 1 over 2, 3 over 4, 5 over 7, 1 over 4, 2 over 9, etc. are proper fractions. Improper fraction, the fraction in which numerator is bigger than denominator, in which the fraction in which numerator is bigger than denominator are called improper fractions. Match the equivalent. Exercise 12. Put the following fraction in the correct box: 4 over 3, 7 by 77 over 5, 3 over 8, 2 over 66, 5 over 67, 1 over 56, 4 over 3, 77 over 5, 24 over 9, 15 over 7 and 34 over 6. The denominator is smaller than the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Numerator is greater than to denominator, so improper fraction, that is called proper fraction. Comparing fractions. Exercise 13. Compare the following pairs of fraction by shading the figure: 3 over 7, 1, 2, 3. The whole part of 3, 3 over 7, 3 part is shaded. 5 over 7, 5 part is shaded. 5 over 7, 5 over 7. 3 over 7 is less than 5 over 7 and 3 over 7 less than 5. Therefore, 5 over 7 is greater. 2 over 9 and 5 over 9. 2 over 9 is less than 5 over 9. 2 over 9 less than 5 over 9. Therefore, 5 over 9 is greater fraction. 10 over 11 and 7 over 11. 10 over 11 and 7 over 11. 11 boxes, 10 parts is shaded and the 7 parts is shaded. 10 over 11. Next, 3 over 5 and 1 over 5. 3 over 5 is greater than 1 over 5. 3 over 5 is greater than 1 over 5. Therefore, 3 over 5 is greater fractions. Question number 5. 5 over 12 and 6 by 15. 2 over 15 is less than 6 over 15. 2 over 15 less than 6 over 15. Therefore, 6 over 15 is greater to fractions. Next, exercise 14. Write the following in order starting from the smallest number: 3 over 4, 1 over 4 and 4 over 4. Solution: 3 over 4, 1 over 4, the value of 5 over 10, 4 over 10 equal to 0, 0, 5 over 10, 5 over 10 according to order. 1 over 5, 7 over 5, 5 over 5, 1 over 5, 5 over 5 and 7 over 5, 4 over 7, 4 over 7 and 7 over 8, 4 over 7, 4 over 7 and 8 over 7, 8 over, by mistakenly 7 over 8, 8 over 7, 5 over 11, 1 over 11 and 4 over 11, 1 over 11, 4 over 11 and 5 over 11 is ordered fractions. Exercise 15. Add the following fractions: 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, 2 is common. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 over 2, as denominator is same. 2 over 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 is your answer. 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5, 5 is common. And 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 over 3, 3 over 5 is your answer. Next, 3 over 8 plus 2 over 8. 8 is common. 3 plus 2, 5 over 8 is your answer. 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7. 7 denominator is same. So, the common value of 7, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 over 7 is your answer. 3 over 8 plus 3 over 8. 3 over 8 plus 3 over 8. The value of 8 as denominator is same. 8 is common. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 over 8, 2, 3 is 6, 2, 4 is 8, 3 over 4 is your answer. Next, 6 over 8 or 2, 3 over 4 is your answer. Next, 3 over 10 plus 2 over 10, 10 is common. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 over 10 or 1 by 2, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10 or 1 by 2 is your answer. Next question, question number 7, 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. 3 is common. 2 plus 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 over 3 is your answer. 3 over 11 plus 5 over 11 plus 2 over 11, 3 over 11 plus 5 over 11 plus 2 over 11. The common value of 11, 3 plus 5 plus 2. When we add these value, we get the answer 10 over 11 is your answer. Next question, question number 10. 2 over 9 plus 3 over 9 plus 5 over 9. 2 over 9 plus 3 over 9 plus 5 over 9. 9 is your common. 9 is your common. 2 plus 3 plus 5. When these value added, this statement 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10 over 9 is your answer. 10 over 9 is your answer. Next exercise number 16. Subtraction the fraction of the same denominator 2 over 3, 1 over 3, 2 minus 1, 1 over 3 equal 1 over 3 is your answer. Work out the following subtraction. 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. 4 is common. 3 minus 2, 1 over 4 is your answer. Question number 2. 4 over 5 minus 3 over 5. The 5 is common. 4 minus 3. When the value of 3 subtract from the value of 4, we get the answer 1 over 5 is your answer. Next question, question number 3. 5 over 7 minus 3 over 7. 7 denominator is same. So 5 minus 3. The value of 3 subtract from the value of 5, we get the answer 2 over 7 is your answer. Next question, question number 5. 4 over 6 minus 3 over 6. 6 is same. The value of common 6. 4 minus 3 equal 1. 1 over 6 is your answer. Next question, question number 6. 5 over 11 minus 3 over 11. 5 over 11 minus 3 over 11. 11 is common. 5 minus 3, 2 over 11 is your answer. Next question, question number 7. Question number 7. 4 over 5 minus 3 over 5. 5 is common and 4 minus 3. The value of 3 subtract from the value of 4. We get the answer 1 over 5 is your answer. Next question, question number 8. 7 over 12 minus 2 over 12. 12 is same. The common value of 12. 7 minus 2. The value of 2 subtract from the value of 7. We get the answer 5. 5 over 12 is your answer. 4 over 9 minus 1 over 9. 9 is common. 4 minus 9 minus 1 equal 3. 3 over 9 is your answer. Next exercise, exercise 7. Insert the correct symbol plus or minus, add or subtract. 1, 2, 1 over 5, 2 plus 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5 equal 3 over 5. 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5 equal 3 over 5. 4 over 9 minus 2 over 9 equal 2 over 4 minus 2, 2 over 9. 4 over 9 minus 2 over 9 equal 2 over 9 is your answer. Question number 3. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 equal 0. 7 over 10 plus 3 over 10 equal 10 over 10. 10 1 the 10 equal 1 is your answer. 7 over 10 plus 3 over 10. 7 over 10. 7 plus 3 10. 10 over 10. 10 1 the 10 1 is your answer. Next question, question number 5. 8 over 13 plus 5 over 13 equal 13 over 13. 13 1 the 13 1 is your answer. Next exercise, what fraction of the pizza is eaten? What fraction is left? 1 over 4 of pizza is eaten. 3 over 4 pizza is left. The 4 part. 1 over 6 of pizza is eaten. 5 over 6 of pizza is left. Next question, question number 3. As in half of pizza there are 4 pieces, so full pizza as 8 pieces, therefore 3 over 8 of pizza is eaten and 5 over 8 of pizza is left. 1 over 3 of pizza is eaten and 2 over 3 of pizza is left. Next exercise, exercise 19. Robina lost 1 over 4 of her pencil. What fraction of the pencil are left with her? As whole of 1 pencil equal 1, lost pencil equal 1 over 4, fraction of pencil left by her 1 over 1 minus 1 over 4 equal 4 minus 1 over 4. 4 minus 1, the value of 1 subtract from the value of 4, we get the answer 3 over 4 is your answer. Next question, question number 2. Amir had 8 pieces of chocolate. He ate 1 over 2 of them. How many pieces did he eat? How many pieces are still left with him? Total pieces Amir had 8. He ate pieces 1 over 2 of 8 equal 4. Therefore, pieces left by him equal 8 minus 4 equal 4. Out of the 100 apples that grew in an orchard, 1 over 4 were still unripe. How many apples were unripe? How many of them were ready to eat? Total apples in orchard 100. Fraction of apple which are unripe 1 over 4. Therefore, unripe apples are 1 over 4 of 100. 4 2s are 8 to carry 20. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 25 25 ones are 25. 100 minus 25 apple ready to eat. 100 minus 25 equals 75. 75 is your answer. Okay class, this is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.